Hello, everybody. You can call me Hunch. I love Halloween, obviously. Shout out to the person that gave me this hat. Don't forget to say hi to my hombres over there, Tyrone and Timmy the Toolman 22. Anyway, let's get into it. You guys know when a narrative matches a chart and they kind of meld together like Thanksgiving dinner and creates that heavenly goodness, that it's just going to create an explosion in your mouth, and also the chart. Let's get into it. I'm not going to waste any time. The cryptocurrency that I'm talking about is Litecoin. Now, I don't really care about Litecoin. I don't think it's making a lot of headway in the crypto scene. It's kind of the OGs of crypto. It's I haven't heard much about it other than the privacy update that it had a couple months ago, and then it had the Walmart pump where it went up and it was fake news. Anyway, you guys can see this chart. It's got a huge wedge. It's got a line of support here, and then it's got this kind of ascending wedge here, and it's coming to a point. At some point, that's funny, at some point, I think it's either going to go up or it's going to go down. Now, I think the narrative is going to shift towards that hard money being Bitcoin, gold, silver, but we all know gold and silver are kind of dying. Bitcoin is drawing from them. I think Litecoin still has a little chance to get in that narrative, to catch another pump. Do I think it's going to perform long term? Probably not. I just don't see it happening. I think Bitcoin is just too pure, too good. But I think this could rocket, just like Chili's the token did the other week or the other day when I made the video. I'm going to show you something else. I kind of came upon this because I looked at the chart and I saw this huge wedge, this pizza pie, cheesy goodness. I think it's going to green candle way up here if Bitcoin starts to go. So let's confirm this with some Twitter stuff we got going on. This guy's Crypto Burb. He's got a lot of followers. He's saying that this is the craziest chart he's ever seen. A 2-year long bullish divergence. Is he right? I don't know, maybe, but I still think it could break down, but I think it's worth the risk. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a witch, okay? I don't know for sure if it's going to blow. Am I going to take a little bet on it? Yeah, I'm going to take a little bet on it. I think it's going to be fun. I think it could blow to the upside. And then here's something else. Michael Saylor wrote today, the stablecoins from the President's Working Group provides a clear path for the USD to solidify itself as the world's reserve currency, and it should accelerate the adoption of Bitcoin as a world reserve asset. I think people are really going hard on this asset, like Bitcoin's becoming gold. I think that narrative is going to go hard in the end. There's a lot of politicians that are talking about Bitcoin and getting it in banks, and the FDIC chairman was saying they've got to work a way where Bitcoin gets on their balance sheet and they can maybe insure it or something of that nature. So I think the narrative at the end of the year is going to shift towards Bitcoin. I think it's going to go hard in the paint, as some would say, and I think Litecoin may benefit. This is a crazy wedge. If I was going to take a bet on hard money type assets in the crypto sphere, this would be it. You could maybe look into some privacy coins, but who wants to be a cyber criminal? Am I right? Not me. Anyway, call me Hunch. Hit the like, subscribe, retweet. Do your thing. Litecoin. I like the coin right now, not long term.